Hey y'all, let's do some landscaping today. The weather is beautiful and rain is on its way. So here I am going to be relocating these blue ice trees that have gotten too big for that area in my flower bed. The other bushes have been there for years, so I'm going to leave them and just plant around them. I remove as much roots as I can. I do not dig the hole that big. I'm sure some of you will say I do it incorrectly, but it is the way I do it and it works for me. The bright green bush there, I'm going to be relocating to that hole that the blue ice was in. First, I remove the pine straw, what's left of it. I will be re-pine strawing here in about a month. I prefer mulch, but in my area, it is hard to find, so I just do what everybody else does as far as pine straw. I always have fun in everything I do. That way I am never working. I'm enjoying myself always. I'm a total goofball. So I'm relocating this green bush to where my blue ice was, and I'm not going to be filling that hole back in because I do not need a bush there anymore. My other bushes have gotten so big, they fill up the spot. Cover the hole back up. Here I am using Mill Organite. It is my favorite fertilizer to put around bushes, and it does not burn them, and I really think it helps them grow. I put it at the base of the hole and on top of the bush all the way around it, about a cup per bush. Not sure what's going on here, but I am having fun. And I'm gonna remove the bush now and play some air guitar. That's right. So I'm sure landscapers will say that I am doing it incorrectly, but I promise you I have never had a bush die. I get enough roots up and I get it planted at the right time of year, and I make sure I water it and I put fertilizer down, and nothing has ever died and my bushes are lush. So it may not be the right way, but it is the way that I do it and it gets the job done. Digging out a little bit more of a hole for the bush that I'm putting in there, but first got to put my Mill Organite. I am covering it back up with some dirt, and now I have moved to the back of the house where I will be relocating my blue ice tree. I have already planted the other one, but it is right beside it and I did not film it. This was going to be a short, but somehow I recorded 14 minutes and there's no way I could have combined it to make a 59-second short. Sorry for the long video, y'all. I just want to show you my yard work and what works for me. The trunk has grown crooked, so both of my blue ice trees, I put a post in the ground and I tied it so it would help it grow straight in the future. Cover it back up and bada bing, bada boom, we have a blue ice planted and I did not have to spend $1. Here is my end result, and everything has planted and looking good and ready for spring. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a great day.